Hey, and welcome to Electric Design. In this video, I'm going to design the electric version of the all-new Nissan Z sports car. So let's jump into Photoshop and have some fun with design. The Nissan Z Proto is the latest concept out of the Japanese manufacturer. But it's easy to see this sports car is almost a production-ready model, and the design probably will stay as it is. And wow, look at it! So simple, so direct, such a cool and clean design, in a world full of complex car designs, with so many details, shapes and forms. The side view is my favorite. Nissan kept the famous Z proportions with the samurai sword sliced greenhouse, combined with the minimalistic lines and beautiful curvatures in the sheet metal. Great job, Nissan! It really looks like a little Aston Martin. Great job! In order to differentiate the electric version, I covered much of the frontal area, including the big square grille. Though I did keep some hatches for cooling and aerodynamic purposes. By the way, the squared grille is the only out-of-place graphic in this overall excellent design. But I didn't want to take it away, because it's a very distinguished and different from other competitors. So, in order to break up a bit the centered square, I sharpened up the front shoulder line with a crisp and a slight depth over the lower part of the bumper in order to resemble the nose design of the Datsun 240Z. I also create an air hatch to let the airflow go through the front and to shoot out from an opening on the bonnet, like in the BMW i8. By the way, if you like what you are seeing, please subscribe to the Electric Design channel. There's a lot of electric car designs content already and much more coming, so be sure to subscribe. Now, let's move on with the design. Moving on to the back view. I like the design, so I will not change much, but rather improve on the existing layout. First, I got rid of the tailpipes, therefore it's an electric car. I also like the blacked out taillights running across the back end, but I think Nissan could go on a bit more modern with the graphics, though they really nailed it in terms of relation with the 240Z back-end design. So I created a Z-like shape as the main light source, as well as connecting both sides with a LED strip that contrasts well with the dark background. And there you go! The electric Nissan Z Proto sports car, whatever. What do you think? Do you like the minimalistic design approach? Tell me in the comments. And personally, I can't wait to see the next Nissan GT-R, but I have the feeling Nissan will go much more crazy and expressive with the styling of this one. But we'll have to wait and see. And don't forget to check the Electric Design channel for more electric car design content. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.